Running a successful small business is not only about increasing sales, it is about making better financial decisions every single day. In this video, we are sharing 21 business finance tips every small business owner must learn before it's too late. Number 1. Build a decision delay fund. Many costly business mistakes happen because owners make financial decisions too quickly. Create a small cash reserve that is used only for unexpected opportunities or large purchases. Before spending from this fund, wait at least 48 hours. Use that time to compare alternatives, calculate the expected return, and decide whether the purchase will actually improve the business. A short delay often prevents emotional spending and leads to better long-term financial decisions. Number 2. Measure profit per customer. High sales do not always mean high profits. Some customers require extra support, request frequent discounts, return products more often, or create additional operating costs. Instead of focusing only on revenue, calculate how much profit each customer truly generates after all expenses. This simple measurement helps you identify your most valuable customers and allows you to spend more time attracting people who increase profits instead of simply increasing sales. Number 3. Create a no-spend day every week. Choose one day every week when your business avoids all non-essential spending. Do not purchase office supplies, software, equipment, or other items unless they are absolutely necessary for operations. This habit creates awareness before every purchase and reduces unnecessary impulse spending. Over time, many small expenses disappear naturally, helping your business keep more cash available for investments that truly support future growth. Number 4. Track your cash burn per day. Most business owners review expenses every month, but daily cash usage provides a much clearer picture. Divide your total monthly operating expenses by the number of days in the month to calculate how much cash the business spends each day. When you know your daily cash burn, every spending decision becomes easier to evaluate, and unnecessary expenses become much more obvious before they grow into larger financial problems. Number 5. Kill one hidden cost every month. Every business has expenses that quietly reduce profits without providing much value. Review your bank statements each month and challenge yourself to eliminate just one unnecessary cost. It could be an unused software subscription, an expensive supplier, excessive packaging, or wasted utilities. Removing only one hidden expense every month creates permanent savings that continue improving your business year after year. Number 6. Use a profit buffer account. When your business earns a profit, avoid leaving all the money in your main operating account. Move a small percentage into a separate profit buffer account that is not used for daily expenses. This reserve provides financial stability during slower months, unexpected repairs, or economic downturns. It also prevents profitable periods from creating a false sense of unlimited spending. Number 7. Never grow faster than cash. Rapid business growth sounds exciting, but growing too quickly can create serious cash flow problems. Every new employee, larger inventory order, or additional location requires money before it generates returns. Always calculate whether your available cash can comfortably support expansion. Sustainable growth is usually healthier than aggressive growth that forces the business to rely heavily on loans or unpaid supplier invoices. Number 8. Review your top 10% expenses first. Many owners spend hours trying to reduce small office expenses while ignoring the costs that have the biggest financial impact. Instead, identify the largest 10% of your business expenses first. Improving supplier pricing, rent, payroll efficiency, inventory purchasing, or logistics costs often produces much greater savings than cutting dozens of small everyday purchases that barely affect total expenses. Number 9. Calculate the cost of waiting. Delaying important business decisions can be just as expensive as making poor ones. Estimate how much money your business loses each month by postponing equipment upgrades, hiring employees, raising prices, or improving marketing. Understanding the financial cost of waiting helps you recognize opportunities that should be acted on sooner instead of allowing indecision to reduce future profits. Number 10. Stop selling low-cash products. Some products generate sales but consume too much cash because they require expensive inventory, long production times, high shipping costs, or slow customer payments. Review which products create the strongest cash flow instead of focusing only on revenue. Selling more products that quickly convert into cash improves business stability and provides greater financial flexibility for future investments. Number 11. Keep a finance mistake journal. Every business owner makes financial mistakes. The difference is that successful owners learn from them instead of repeating them. Keep a simple notebook or digital document where you record every costly decision, why it happened, how much it cost, and what you learned. Reviewing this journal every few months helps you recognize patterns and make smarter financial decisions in the future. Number 12. Reward cash collection, not just sales. Closing a sale is important, but collecting the payment is what keeps a business alive. If your team earns incentives, include cash collections along with sales performance. Encouraging faster customer payments improves cash flow, reduces outstanding invoices, and lowers the risk of bad debts. A business cannot pay its bills with unpaid invoices, no matter how high sales appear. Number 13. Set a maximum inventory age. Inventory should never sit on shelves indefinitely. Decide the maximum number of days you are willing to keep products before taking action. Slow-moving inventory ties up valuable cash that could be invested elsewhere. Offer discounts, create promotions, bundle products, or reduce future purchases before inventory becomes outdated or loses its market value. Number 14. Pay yourself a fixed salary. Many small business owners withdraw money whenever the business bank account looks healthy. This creates unpredictable cash flow and makes financial planning much more difficult. Instead, pay yourself a consistent salary, just like any other employee. A fixed amount creates discipline, improves budgeting, and gives you a much clearer picture of the business's actual financial performance. Number 15. Measure revenue per employee. Instead of simply counting sales, calculate how much revenue each employee helps generate. Divide total revenue by the number of employees to understand overall productivity. This metric helps you identify operational improvements, evaluate staffing decisions, and measure whether your business is becoming more efficient as it grows. Higher productivity usually leads to stronger long-term profitability. Number 16. Protect your best cash month. Every business has months that generate exceptional cash flow. Instead of spending all the extra money during those successful periods, treat those months as an opportunity to strengthen the business. Save part of the additional cash, reduce outstanding debt, invest in productive assets, or build emergency reserves. Strong months should prepare your business for slower seasons, not create unnecessary spending. Number 17. Audit every automatic subscription. Automatic payments make business operations convenient, but they also make unnecessary spending easy to ignore. At least once every quarter, review every recurring subscription, membership, software license, and online service connected to your business. Cancel anything that no longer provides clear value. Even small monthly charges add up over time and quietly reduce profits without improving business performance. Number 18. Create a worst-case budget first. Instead of building your budget around optimistic sales forecasts, begin with a conservative scenario. Assume sales grow more slowly than expected while expenses remain steady. If your business can still operate comfortably under those conditions, your financial plan is much stronger. Any additional revenue becomes a bonus instead of money your business depends on just to survive. Number 19. Track your financial stress score. Numbers tell an important story, but so does your confidence as a business owner. At the end of each week, rate your financial stress on a scale from 1 to 10. Then identify the reason behind that score. Over time, you will notice patterns that reveal which financial issues create the most pressure, allowing you to solve the real causes instead of reacting emotionally. Number 20. Replace opinions with financial ratios. Business decisions should be based on facts rather than assumptions. Before making major financial choices, review key ratios such as gross profit margin, current ratio, inventory turnover, and operating margin. These measurements provide objective insights into business performance and reduce the risk of making expensive decisions based only on instinct or incomplete information. Number 21. Make every dollar have a job. Every dollar your business earns should have a clear purpose before it is spent. Assign money to payroll, inventory, marketing, taxes, loan payments, emergency savings, equipment, or future investments. When every dollar has a planned destination, unnecessary spending naturally decreases. Purposeful cash management gives you greater control, improves financial discipline, and helps your business grow with confidence. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future videos. Thank you for watching this video.